Ghana cedis to Valentina and Naje wa me pacho ajo shama midin ebo ho no eti way a different money difference afiase Aisha money sika once pay 2000 or the man no or cast or the man won the band birthday as no was say sika no kwa but mo entro me exposing lies. I'm exposing lies. Lies she said in the thing she did. Video no be ye live no pressure man be kasa ne pacho ne intro ba kunie. Where your first evidence a transaction a Aisha Ayamana a free. Aisha Fidelity Bank account le pacho when din e wo ho no. Valentina Mitriso. And now Valentina Mapampaso. Is that not a Fiaswas Negus picture and name in this transaction? So let's add this 2,000 to 3,000 now. Aisha do ko share in some of the banny birthday na se mo obi ehun ye no. Me pacho enso ho no ma mo hwa de ma me wie ye. Mo hwa de ma me wie ye. Me pacho another transaction 2,000 to Valentina Nanaje Huawei was mobile money. Another transaction bio 2,000 to Valentina Nanaje wa mobile money. Me poacho wo. Aisha moti transfer sikama afia Schwarzenegger ma afraid na ordinary paycheck. Eradi nyankopon. Aisha modi wo ye de nipa. Aisha modi wo ye de nipa. Wo ye de nipa nenti. What the Fias was nega to paycheck so? Hey, Mama mention my evidence. But I'm more broad na. Mo salary amoji mu paycheck mutu di obi din to sonti. Wo salary better wo paycheck mu pay. Na ya transfer sikana ma nipa me pacho mo hwe. I had to hide Aisha's paycheck number. Enye. Me pacho mo hu ni ye. Me pacho Z credits pay. ID blah 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 blah. Me pacho mo hu ni ye. Aisha modi di Fias was nega to ni paycheck so. Aisha sika bedi ni na abroche yetua weekly. Aisha sika bedi na account mu na account no automatically at your Fias nega di ama no. Anyway, this is evidence. Na so Fias nega nsuro nyankopon. Wan suro chedi ampon wo boy ye begina live neka say wonu 2,000 Ghana cedi pe. And Aisha di ama no call the man ba if that see wo nipam. Me pomacho paycheck evidence we eye nipam. Paycheck evidence eye nipam. Enu nkwada mobile money 2,000 yeni me pacho nipam. Enu nkwada me pacho Fidelity Bank transfer nipam. Akoko afia Schwarzenegger akoko wo didi wia na wo de wa no atwitiri fam. Me say ye kasa with evidence. We don't talk anyhow. Ye nkasa because I come and some afia wo beka ye nyina no. Awia wo beka ye no. Me say mene ma me ngega ya adwen wo evidence e wo hin wo evidence e wo hin Aisha modi huna mani o eya na nkrofo bi se and Aisha modi you have to be careful with her na oya papa na kan dey say wabeka me pa chow wo ye efia papa enti se me pa chow efia Schwarzenegger motu ni din modi kan ho efia Schwarzenegger ni se ne modi kan ho na wo timidi obi onye na busuani ajene wo ho ne wo mayamu kom ede wo to ni pay slip so pacho pay slip evidence na die ye kan pay slip a e kire say bosome so a na say Aisha adwuma wo ye no ye tua ne car account no automatically transfers money to a Fias account automatically me pacho ma hu ha amount ben e da ha no amount to ben and that $2,700 na ya transfer no me pacho amount ben no we a sum up amount mo nya nipa mo ya papa mo kai what ye mo papa mo kai efia na e oka na wia no enipa efia Schwarzenegger wa sore tia wo mo Ghana ha bia ye nipa wo mo boa wo e na wie wo sore tia wo mo na entokwa foforo na wonya bibi nka wo dia fa Abbas sariki so efia sa Abbas sariki on pa Aisha modi me pato efia Schwarzenegger wo busuafo na egu picture ni mu no efia Schwarzenegger wo busuafo na egu picture ni mu no. The woman in the black mayafi is Abbas Sariki. Time Abbas Sariki kwaya family rights. So worry Aisha modi video na mu no. In the picture is Abbas Sariki's father, Abbas Sariki's mother, and Abbas Sariki's sisters. Family. And I'm accept Aisha modi. Who can't throw? Who can't trust and Aisha boa and Abbas Sariki peno me patro FA. Won phone and that picture no, this is family. Obia entinkane on peno. Obia on peno. Obia on peno no. Me pacho anko ne family ebe say. Na wo first say down who was 3. Eya misiro. Eya na dru baby a. Ensem na yenim na ebe nyanke betimi aka ne nyina. Ohoya say or reverend bofo yele na. Han dan ma wo bodam. Wo jale. Sika Aisha mo didi asende wo bebrebe. Sika Aisha mo didi asende we from the Fidelity account. We what do to ni pay slip so every month be 2,700 na about ho no. What do to ni pay slip so no. Me patro sa sika wenti Aisha want me fa hand dan. Aje Aisha kwaye lesbobo ansa na what me nya sika hand dan na me bisa o. Wanim guase na aba wanim na eguase. Wanim na eguase. Yen play ANG Glow whatever. Yen play video ben bio wanim hu ade. Audio ben bio na yen play. Can't you see? Can you all not see? This is the evidence. This is the evidence. And Aisha kwakwa fre Tracy Boache and Tracy Boache fa ha na Tracy Boache kosi hi Tracy Boache no one any paboni no bia otimi je wadan fukunu ne wo every kwape grooming president picture de grade oba picture kwape o ko hwe papa o ko hwe papa ni monyam e woni din ho e dia ma ba Tracy Boache wo e dia nkwa na wan fa anya Zandi Camel e dia nkwa na wan fa anya Zandi Camel a wade anka egu e ma kola ne di woni mrebe ebe renew ne vows. Or didn't want the brebe renew the vows in was as a result of Tracy Boache. Said I Tracy Boache and Nanka wo goods and the camel a wadie. I didn't want to find Zandi Camel. I didn't want to find Zandi Camel. Say and I'll call Fred Tracy na Tracy no papa Tracy Papa Bain. Tracy Crona. Tracy Crona. Efia Menya mayanke kan sem o ne manum ke kame. Menya mayanke kan sem na manum eke kame. Your ungratefulness is over the bar. Say that we are ungrateful, no? It's over the bar. Kobisa wadan for Fifi Pratt. Now I'm sure say the nipa is grateful. Kobisa no. Because he is the only person who experiencing grateful person. That one in life. Obeka cho say eyeme. Obeka cho say eyeme after all say me nina or say me come home some child so for be more record send me. Dear ya from me phone, so me tina phone, so me tie no. After ni nina chino me. And I'm not sure I call Kingdom. I am airtime or Kingdom. Remember, the message is still on his phone. My first airtime is sending the message done. As that is what we say, grateful people. Even in your pain, even when the person has hurt you, you still want to say thank you to the person. That is what we call gratefulness. If you was nigga, she kadu dua Aisha modi dia send. Someone who sikadu dua Aisha modi dia send with you was nigga. When you know dinner time, now they are bayfuana. Obey no omo maboa wo pen ko na obetimi dia adi o matema na omo maboa wo pen ko na obetimi dia adi o matema na e na ma me se wa ma me gold no e be kan wait ma me go catch some fight $2,000 nkoma no catch ma me gold so offer is $2,000 nkoma no no pesika boa wo mo a wo mo be gina mu aye grateful e dia ma no ungrateful human being efia wo boy ni se wo kai ni din. Say what kai boy now two time and now 2 free we feel one no more. What the kwafa no say nipa nen kan kire Aisha say we here 2,000 cedis dia paki oniema na sika de be paki oniema mpo wonni bi. Say what kai boy ne pese me boni din. Me pese me boni din metia boni din afra ni phone so de na gina live we so nyina. Say what kai boy na what the kwafa no so say wo Aisha ne din niema tata e yefia enti wo twam tra wo yamu nhye. Afia anya wo na me pesa me ba boy ni din utu wo ka kire sa boy yi sa boy ne kan kire Aisha say wo hia 2,000 Ghana cedis da pake oniama e na boy ne ka kire Aisha na Aisha na afro no so o afia na wo hia moa afia fa phone mama say wo hia moa ade na wo kan kire me straight na wo de kwakwa fa obi so e ho no ma na Aisha ye transfer e de ma na Aisha ni din ni sika abunu so wo say wo pay fia din no afia Schwarzenegger ni din Valentina na jewa first transaction no pacho ehun din nie second transaction nie me pacho hwa Fidelity Bank transfer no me pacho mi din na wo so mi din na wo so afia Schwarzenegger din na wo so no me pacho mo hwa de obi timi de wo to ni pay slip so na wo Aisha aden adwuma na wo ye na aden Uni abusuafo adu sika be hwa ma na Aisha Modi. Ana wutumi di afia so ga to pay slip so. Motherfucker. Yakaso obi de obi ato ni pay slip so a e kire se Aisha sika bedru ya. Na ya tie fia de ama ne te sede one ne ye adwuma no. Hey, na Abbas Sariki pe na o pe Aisha Modi no so eya wo ya. Aboze ge fia wabusuafo ni e. Wabusuafo omuni e. I have videos. Aisha Modi kwa ni kunu fie, ni kuna busuafo fie. Na ya na asew our in-law in their language. I have videos. Obi pe obi keke kura ya wo ya. Nipa boni ni afia Schwarzenegger. E dia na wa wadan for Tracy Boache won fa nye no. Abusuafo mo me se ene me be chem evidence. Won tag obi atag obi mame. Ene me be chem evidence. Won tag obi atag obi mame. E dia na wan fa nye wadan for Tracy Boache. Edian ene wan fa anya wadanfo Tracy Boache no one ne nam no Tracy Boache na one ne nam no me se afia wo kum Tracy Boache edian eni e mon kan eskufu amwom no mon kan ansa na Tracy Boache ba be Tracy Boache no ebesi na Tracy Boache afia you have always hated that girl. You have always hated Tracy Boache. Ama wo ko catch Mr. Owusu famous movies. Some kind famous movies kuma say sa emane ma Tracy Boache nya popular Tracy Boache ne che Tracy Boache che efo afia so sega wo e na ka che Mr. Owusu famous films say Tracy Boache che fo te sa abete aye to wo mi kuro mu badu e wo wanchi Tracy Boache sa na ne chefo esitie enie information in here one kind for me say ya kasa ya the evidence enenam we amba and some of you say ga be kind they no to me pulling one single evidence. Stupid ass. Why are you ungrateful? Obi asha wumba for months. Now was saying ungrateful to the person. Now was saying you got to even come and insult the person. Won't sronya me worth your worry yaba. So what beer one worker said ya so worry now for that next thing na crowd send it on their backs. Until dear now want me find any pa. Any efia what ko catch Mr. Owusu of famous films say Tracy Boache fo. Na mama ni ma Tracy Boache say mo kai Tracy Boache o ba foforo no famous films se pa dey producing movies on channel. O catch famous films say Tracy Boache e cheap. Enti ma o ma ni mo Tracy Boache. Me pa cho mon kan eskufu amu no mon kan. Asukufu amu wo mu no mon kan. Ama papa no so asema o catch say Tracy Boache e cheap, papa no so ni Tracy Boache dia, Tracy Boache channel o wo bring mu back front center. East, west, north. Me see be show evidence. We can show evidence from morning to afternoon, evening to night. Yanda. Because ye nim dia ya kasa obi o kasa wo kan okra no kasa no okra evidence. Me pacho enye. Papa no so wo bre Tracy Boache wo bre gon. Wo bre girl no star obi abi. And am wo fear Schwarzenegger wo so ne. Ama papa no famous films Mr. Owusu oni Tracy Boache mpo. Omo ntam enye debut. Oye di enipa me se bebre ba Tracy Boache yama wo nei ochina bi you na Aisha de na aba no wo di Vivian Jela kam wani amba wo dwamba ofere amwa hu se obema mpa ope Vivian Jela no obema ne timi ma wo sika to aduane ma wo mbadi. You overlooked the innocent and the honorable man and wo di Vivian Jela tem aboa kama tama so se o deal with you and ankwase afo gina chi no mo jimi. Now what's your phone? I have stopped shaking the phone. Read it for yourselves. Read it. Mr. Owusu no only Tracy Boache o mayaka. Because of a fear Schwarzenegger catch Mr. Owusu say, Mr. Owusu Tracy Boache channel fofo lelele ne bo anya din. Obetimi adini free. Say first that don't ko papa ne kodi from 2000 Ghana. 2000 Ghana ne edi mu ayede mamo. And I'm to tall mansions na mo ye adwuma be na mo to tall mansions no mo ye adwuma be na mo to tall mansions no na e na wo frɛ me sister audio bi a me wo e na me di media nyina ma nya me nya twem nipa bonefo na na jewa na wo bi a wo ma me se wo nkola brem okacha na tornado se wo nkola brem wutumu tenten wo tietia wa yete se yi tapo square no wutumi tenten wo na mu ni wakɔ ma me ani so wo ya kwala no me di wachi fiti won kwala brembe sindei wo say ena me de media amanyame ena sna ka kire maami gold ena maami gold na maami gold no ka kire say before abeka kasa ankwasa sam na kire wo no on $2,000 no ungrateful human beings. Me say, menya, me the respect kesia pa my reverend above one in the Queen Sierra. Respect kesia na me da more above for any in the Queen Sierra. Na ka me say me kasa, me mu betin some who evidence. Me say ma be prove in some prayer. Okay, on the live every blessed day. I'll come with evidence for you people. Me yasa me call live for YouTube. YouTube for say me subscribers in 2,000 until I can go on live. Until me sure call YouTube na mo call subscribe na yet me pra live wo ho. Aha na ya na time near limited mami ntimi nkasa bebre. Mo call YouTube ko about GH space Mouthpiece TV. GH no ma space Mouthpiece TV. Go and subscribe. Because I see me Mumbai over 75,000 na me name go my family na me name wo Instagram and people haven't come on YouTube until me call live. Timon call honom. A new account affair na be a GH no space Mouthpiece TV. Pa bonifo. Ni pa bonifo afiasos nigga. What say ya what that sorry ya? What say say aba sariki ne yire ni ashamodi na wo yam hye wo. E na wo yam e hye wo. One tibida. One tibida. Now what say Aisha is riding on people. Aisha Modi is riding on people to have fame. Efia, anya one na wo kwa Aisha Modi wan kacha Aisha Modi so fan call about $50,000 so say wan. Anya wa. Now for your business, were you not also using Aisha Modi to ride on people? Anya wo na wo kosra Aisha Modi so fan ko ni kunu aba sariki wo. O de ko aba sariki wo kosra ne sa aba sariki ma wata se ododo wa no. Anya wa. Anya wa. And wo between one Aisha Modi one point na isu ni yonkwa radio odobi a won ne yard for 3 o'clock am now usi ni fie won ne yard for 3 o'clock am now won ni usi Aisha Modi fie one wo wono ne wo hwan na ne yonko hwan ye ka mo pa cho mo a Yusuf Aisha Modi ba Yusuf one aba Sadiki ba Yusuf ne birthday ni mo hu videos no se mo hu time e di cake ne kwa makola na Aisha Modi fie no Afia so stage say Aisha Modi fie nyanyan tantan bla 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 nyanya Aisha Modi fie na mu hu wo video ni mu no nipa boni ni a osai nipa anya mu nhye no Afia so stage ge di nipa boni a na koma enka no entu no ni mu nhye no nka se eyerade nipa mi be di ni boni mpo atodo Afia so stage wa ma Aisha Modi once di mpoda and so the woman put you on her pay slip one Ghana mpoda when you woo when you affaria pachasa wano na apron wano no physically your mouth is rotten. Oh your life I know be bisa what is wrong and then we have life no be bisa what is wrong with your lips, why does your lip look rotten physically wano na pro hunhum na pie hunamani your mouth is rotten one man usikasha rotten mouth na pro no mu what say ana wo wie ye what didi obi ma wadiani di akai no me say wo pe obi a wan kai akobisa wadanfo Kopisa wadan for 50 price. I can't say when I was in pia, I want my kuma what penetrated through my heart. Or the pia, when you pia. I want my kuma man pia chidem pono. Na enam someone ya miss shaman when you walk kingdom no. Me sign sending a text message at Dana see in my pains. Why not me soon? Why give me bonnie or no when him say what hurting me to the core? Even in my pains, I said thank you. Fifi Pratt for taking me to kingdom. Emma and them someone name me your host me Dana see even in my bitterness. Tell me why I'm a bonny to the core. That is what you call gratefulness. Gratefulness. And I know he cannot dispute that. Obi on na year be obeti me the sense in back say none of them is more grateful than I am. That is what we call gratefulness. Gratefulness is when obi a waboa wo pain, obeya wo bonny to say dean. Okay, now I'm in what I say because I'm say, well, I have more than enough to say about that man. But when him, the so come there see many man I'm a type of papa dey me never jai. And only a friend is say we are grateful. If you was nigga, learn how to be grateful. Now feel say Yankopon na nakata kata weni no. Now me no or deal with people accordingly. If Aisha Modi deal with one city, now what did Nisika bebrebe mu evidence am kire mu amoba late mu ye after doing business with me she refused to pay me and she blocked me obe block her and then yes we are blocking the followers half because omo kind of credit channel and we block you are ungrateful. Aisha Modi is somebody and you can send kafie tisika iPhone 11 Pro Max ba for frono. Na ne boy dancing 12 Pro Max ne buy no. 8,000 something. E ba brand new. Tini bottom sika tobi man. Pena J. Me pesika me to no to akos painters or to African comment one a uko fake ye. Ya do kwa sie o honom na uko fake se ofie no. To free honom akos painters na wo common mo hwe de da na afia so snega take cantonment na wo ye. Mo hwe de da o take cantonment na I have this and I'm was me see afie. Samre ya nyina ya hu ni say wo what mo ya sresre what me srade ye ne wo nyina ye pe one day wo hu to say the grooming president ma me wo dua mo hu wo musika do amboto mo do mo sabo ma ta so pa na ma yo musika no one day wo hu sa wo nya ade a wotimi sre to say the ye nya ade a timi sre de afia ye ne wo ye pe obi a me church say ga pressure amfa no hwenu dwa na o te cantonment na wo dwa and I am this is one of my houses dwa na num sa o to free cantonment one mum pa akwas pentest no me say osre 2,000 for transportation or now when nipa ko ode asam no kofa no so e ma nipa na efra Aisha ka kira Aisha and Aisha free fe no se fe na wo hia sika ka kira me one wo sra ade wo to we wo sra ade na wadi enso wa no wo sra te say de ya yeti ha ye nibia ya koye mpeni for I dey respect more manim ka kira mo say me nibi me what me da say ma ka kira mo say me I just I have nothing to prove to you people oh baby me free no I'm a bedru hano. You motherfuckers on social media and I have nothing to prove to you. And to me nibia, you can't kill me. I will not come and fake. But you have been faking. You have been faking. Who fake yesterday 2,000 Ghana cedis at the Copac. And I made me to every leg side about I say no. Did I beg money to pack man's risk? Me and bottom promo advert my me sweat na me 2 year. Motherfucker. Nyankopon me say ana maka cha mo Ghana fo no me say mo nimu de akọ Reverend Abofo ne yire almost re fi asha say mo say Reverend Abofo osiri bi ho no osiri abos okay almost throw because and some abeka kan our life mo nam na wonnim de wo ka you don't even have an idea Reverend Abofo oben ansha mo de say said de ne yire kura ben no. Somebody who is closer to the man more than a wife. Hey, as you would name the cost na kwanu tumu kasadodo. If you are missing name the cost of kwanu tum. Obi can send be chira upena with national aboriginal life. Now we are the looking as stupid as you are. When your information be baby pena with the you look as stupid as you are. Because who name the cost you don't know anything. Mr. Reverend about one in the year. Any diamond appear and you know or master wa so mo yefunu master wa hey you ready almost me kan say ko pedro ma ukoto jeno ko pedro ma ukoto jeno ebekun won nine no ko pedro ma na ebekun adena we your ungratefulness at its highest peak me see obi bua me obi ya me papa no na sa papa no fi pras on kro wonim do ya me earlier. And so me kai papa nti wasan fra me say me san bra na oni me adwuma me san forget say do ya me nya na me san ne kwa me ne adwuma no mo san ye bio me san nya airtime me am de adwuma me san forget me say grateful person is a person we ne papa na wo san ya ne boni a o kai wo boni no eja wo papa no obi fra me bisa me say Fabregas akwa life ama fee na GH only fee nya issues as a Fabregas ni benya issues aba ne say answer wo call live all this one am say me fa me phone na me kai papa na yaba me na me the phone ato and ka the Fabregas can on no oni fella ka the Fabregas can oni point lines ka point lines am ka to Ghana no but me fa me phone na me kai papa na me na me the phone ato. That is what we call grateful heart. Even when the person has hurt you to the core, pierce deep into your heart. A fear was nega woni bi be ye ayo sa kom and o mo wa ya imagine so mo be bua okrom hanko a and I obey your mo boni Nyankopon or show me say Ghana for na mu gina when you envy afia and you envy afia and you envy her janasem kan me say are you people challenging nature? Are you people challenging karma? More challenging nature, more challenging karma. Monte Ghana hanom ena na mama brown wo ya o ware ya na wan wo ye Becca wo ye 6 months pepe na Becca ware ye 6 months pepe na wo ye Becca wo ye no afia so say ga be ye video be huru na mama brown say Becca na mo de mo ye ne sign na mo kwa ware ya 6 months pepe na ma wi na antenna na de Wakota na wari accident nko de ho ni want me wo no. Awo mpo. If you to say that you tell me pampoa e wo krom hana na mama ground. Monko he video na YouTube. Obeye video bury the corner na ama. Afi magazine ba ya. O de na masie tetarase o pe brand animonyam wo ho. O pe brand animonyam e wo ho. Mo yire video ya de nipa wo Ghana ha wo ho. Mo yire fi se one fa ni one see the crown to men's gold da. Na what di men's gold for atem. What di na na apia men's atem. Papa na nya ne hwe da won tin won kan won nya ne bone da. Mo yire fi se Jane na ageman. Mo yire fi na no 2020 ya beto abai. Mahana running mate, ma me ne nya afia Schwarzenegger hye wo wiase mu. Na afia Schwarzenegger ba live be frɛ ma me na hyawo nyina. Mo yire fi se Vivian J na anu ya. What nya afia Schwarzenegger hwe. Na afia be di Vivian J la tem bitally. Mo yire fi. Ya ma mo run down, ya ma mo count down ana. Mo feel sa anya ma na afia ye no. Eye me na nature ba be tua me ka. Ana eye wona wo ye no wani brain no eye wona nature ba be tua o ka na me na nature be tua me ka. Nature is fucking going to deal with her, not me. And to be bia obebia no e bra so say wo say nature na say friend karma odi ho akatua ma wa odi ho akatua be ma wo ana wodi ho akatua na ni bre e foforo aisha modi akasaka confused woman confusing a confused generation unnim dia wo kan onim dia wo kan she is confused because in some na wo kan nyina na nsisi so they were not making sense. They were not making sense. Wo kwa America kokko wi a chain. Ade na wan kwa maami gold fie. Maami gold no wonim do won sama waka ya record this scooter. Me say every now and then I am going to come out. I am going to come out with evidence each day bia for asem wenti. Because truths need to stand. Light need to overshadow darkness. What it? Now what you want na confused woman. O confusing generation ena kakra sha modi abasariki yo abasariki sompo o bodam o kra bro kwade ne nan wo a wo twam wie ja wo ho na ma wie kokofa sa kwa jimifo na wo wie a wo se o permis bell no kra mpo kra no ya nkasa wo sa de wo ye oba a wutie obi nkoso ye girl ne ya se me de chat ne kire mu do de na dafo trace bu ache se me de akire mu na dafo trace bu ache de ode ye no se me de akire mu mo hu ni nyina me see evidence nsem wo ho ensem ehhehye sumase wono na dafo no one ne koba no na dafo no one ne koba no mo de ode ye no na dafo no nti na dafo no ni mi so wusu nkasa because of afia. You call this a friend? Nipa we bet nas no chantro. What be chantro say? Aisha gave me the money in public. Time and I pena birthday. And Aisha this kind of mommy. Me pa chow evidence of 4 or 5 different transactions. A course to a feature was nega din una me de chile mono. Me pa chow enoni edinya. You are lying upon being ungrateful. You are still lying. Upon being ungrateful, Nanaje, why you are still lying. Na come deal with her. Na ko say nkrofo companies. Egugu nkrofo awade. E ma nkrofo ni gu ase no. Wo ma bi mu hyeda mu su. I know somebody I was say, afia kan asema wo hyeda mu su ye. Nkrofo agewe ma manya depression wo Ghana ha na no wo de ase wo ma wade. Na no wo ebi nkrofo ma wu ya yanim yante. Na time so say come deal with her. Now I be jina honum the you envy her. Mimi envy a Fiasha Snega. Na tornado car say Fiasha Snega nin crama and one so be defend this statement neda. Na tornado car so near Fiasha Snega call Kumasia. Wamu call Kumasi no. China for be back some money in crama and conquada. Now munje $5,000 on a tornado so want to mean yes had nefia di China for nechi. Ekwa ya oba betu to $5,000 go na tornado so no sa asem na tornado ka say fia ne nkraman dan. Have you seen her defending that statement before? And to give me a single reason to envy a woman one nkraman just say bijijiska, because this is a statement by na tornado. If you have never been able to come out to defend say enye no kore da bia na tornado ba be kan asem ni bia fia ba live asem a waka ne say a friend is saying madin krama ne manya ska ni osu kwedi bia do abesere stand the serie bi no of course she hasn't even been able to say me nya yeda enti me envy obi on krama da hey o papa na hu we no se mo yale me se mo yale a Sami envy na mo me physically down mo ni me on. Oba 10 gram wa me gina me na so ni mo nyam nya chi nyam nchemu nyam mfimfini nyam nyina me wo bi se me ma ba ba envy tapo square on. Munya sa ankwasa asam ne kan. No kore wo hoi na nipa ntimi nka na ye se no kore no. Ya beka akopem se ebewu. Me da mada, I'm at peace. I drink only when I go out and I want to have fun. Somebody who doesn't sleep without taking alcohol. Dr. Tian and Sanso, if you want me giant sanom. Me envy sa nipa no. In my small little apartment, me da mukitwa bi ya mitiya. Hanye fe, ura hanye fe. Come and see peace. Be ha me ni nuanom. Come and see harmony. Me mpewe wa hu. Na obi a ne ma me kura do me na ne ma me mpom ma ne nchen. Wona ma di bebre no. What you guys saying? Mo sure no kra na ye ka no kra. Ena ne maame. Empress Selikem pat obetimi asan ade ohun o life no mu bi why enche mesan meye why Empress obetimi ade ohun now so come akoma so asan we say please add me. I want to talk. Abozege girl we di dinner na mama grow atam say na ma nwo awa na ma nwo no patro na ma fault. Or the beye video be di nyanko nsiranka nya mesa sa atam so na ma nyimo no de nyinse na sie ne yanim. Or beye video be ridicule no. Came to ridicule na ma. Hey, ana Becca, modi awo ya mokofa ne he na monyema. 6 months pe na ma wi. Eya mokofa no he. Ana na ma de onyim ye, owo ye ahini. Wu ye awo. Kura wo de be ridicule no. Na sa nipa wei. Nyankopon tia ne ka mo kama no ntuma na nkanya akache nyankopon kwa fa mamo ogugu nkrofo companies tia je na nim se enso ne yeto wabwa me say yakodo me pilatu kwaje information through on be catch ono ane workers de be catch no ono ane workers they will tell you say ni so ne yeta wasra no amoma pake boys no omuso sra no amoma pake nso na gu track num apake fi factory we gu track num no dey cha video o say out distribution o ya no asia twa kogu dem ho o ya no asia twa kogu na omuso mo ye nsu a ukọ most water companies every day be mu twa nsu o mu ye nsu etim ku ho no go with two na nsan on ton wan nsan why na to nsu o de nsu no ho am na to nsu a ye to ye hu o traffic mu ye hu say na number bia wo o he mo life o man tam wo ho afia just nsu o ho wo o pena mineral water order wo o cast mineral water order nti wo gu obi de no nyame nso so be na mo bi so agu wo de Onam na hu ahin so ebegu no wanam twene Jonas so ebegu no Nyankopon wo se wo fa afedifo anim guase na ode ahira ne ma enti obefa afedifo na mo di hu fel na ye nhira ma obi a wagu ni company da kona ko kan quotation na monya mommy and a fire emoji and a love and a fire emoji and we don't see Ghana ha get we juma odi dim crofon penifo aban mu penifo asukufo ne mako kumase high ko di teachers na tem kumase high o mo you don't see have you all forgotten na bra so se Nyankopon me say mo de mo te Ghana ha bia sem we me kan 2019 say fia wan ja won niema no a nipa be soretia wo eye wo mama eti wantie me yete Ghana ha na mo recording to wo chale cocktail no ye kama eye one Afrique alcoholic cocktail no hey eye come on wo apple grape lemon flavor very nice na onoma e fa wo yo asa don't cover me ko ade fine eye kama pa pacho uko Instagram about one Afrique WANAFRIQUE one word one Afrique o send you mu DM ane bo onye den a whole carton ye be deliver bi diama baby oh it's very nice food and drugs association at the stamp so we ubi osuhia no ane se wonom kama pa wo de she fridge na chele kra dia bobo oh I know she's watching with fake account and ankrofo a almost say I first was say ga me kasa Ghana ha me pay attention on film no suro Muni me kasa Ghana ha muni sleepless night e me fias was nigga. Me kasa Ghana ha muni sleepless night e me fias was nigga. Otimonya sleepless night a friend me boss. E wa adwuma mu anopotutu to me boss na anopotutu to awada sorry no. Obe hu fias was nigga call adanya that GH piece girl is insulting me. Fire her. Tesa me man sleepless night. Me man headache. Na onim say obe kasa o public e be deadly be time ti me din no public omo a mama men kan se mo na menya analysis bi nchemu na mo jimie na mo di na tell say ga open attention won feel no se mitimi kasa mane nda na otimi frame adwuma mu se yanyim adi that is to tell you how deep some na make an econo and some make no reactions if you taking they are deeper than omo a wo betena na life reply omo no dey say kasa keke shallow talking keke me say me ya live and asa be kasa if you say ga ho a the next morning call Kingdom FM so yanyim adi wo frɛ na munyina di mo fire no aboze go be radio station da o dam nkuku ni nkaka na akosa me konko na engine nim na o sagu kitchen hokra abo wa anya ni ye na be fro bi so bi fire me enti mo amunim what goes on when I talk no I'm telling you what goes in when I talk na ono a odi osofo na yire no me se me ni ma me ngege ya adwen we dare a fierce was nigga to fucking mention a single name almost of ni so your ba okrom hanom was ne nani eden ono no ye fierce was nigga ne twaso na no so ne bibia so almost of ndi wo your ba we dare her to dare into her ancestral deadment almost of ndi so your ba and a papa na oye na yire godmother as a body no godmother's doors no enti woka so ya papa na yire godmother dey here na woka I so po e penny sin mpo or the respect mom to say godmother enti godmother na mu dey him before they mention name and let us see so your ba okrom ha no mo a abozege o jeje no wa no kasa bebebe do e wo limit e o baby edru a na si untimi nkontra ho me so your ba Madel, some kasa wuti, mitimi kasa ma fra mofa, eka chen so onyimedi. Mitimi kasa ma fra mofa ka chen so onyimedi. Enti I'm daring you. Say, be boss of one ni yiridi. Ka be hu Ghana ha. Ka wa beti se hihia bozege. Asha ma de hu we no se zantana pantana. As don't ko papa no kwaku otin. O sa papa na de munya no. I don't ko papa na de munya no. Munya no me wa pani, me ma no ntram panimfu o. Mun study mi wa hu. On kame sabi oyo papa ena wabo na bra ne wanya ne sika so what you see ye nti se papa na illegal business bi anya ne sika so why illegal business bi na anya ne sika de anka me lose respect amano then I'll come to him but me nti bibia so obi papa munja papa no na wanya attack wo mo papa ne problem no Zandi Kamel mo de mo te Ghana ha ma hu se de Zandi Kamel si konde ma Tracy Boachi wo kromu ha na Tracy Boachi ntokwa bia grem na Zandi aginam grem na Zandi aginam na no Tracy Zandi aware na egu na munim no de ma mo ko renew vows no Zandi Kamel say Tracy Boachi na nka egu na ware no wasi Tracy Boachi na nka egu na ware no de ma mo ko renew vows na anu ya o enso mo Ghana ha mo nyina mo hu se de Zandi of fight de ma Tracy Boachi se mo hu ye Ansa Tracy Boachi no crowd here. Tracy Boachi o me catch row. Wo be jai sa our life na. Me first not the way me see peg girl na sem. Na sem kro be ye cool kra no. Me pe na sem kaka me say oh, girl you were cool. Nobody hates you. Ya pe papa ne ma wo. Me 2019 me catch the fear so undan sem hunu wanja ya. E born na water bodan no. O mo be ba no so in 1,000 speeds no. Me kan ye no otie ya nka na nya de ohunu nka ohun. Nka obi ne company na wa ye adwuma no. Nka obi anka kan ho sem. But one tie eno this security blackmailing sikani brana we are rich we are this nsem hunu santi Tracy but you so tie me can wa block me can wa kwa me baby and wa block me baby tie now so for two ho for de to adanfo na na e bia kan no of you say hwan kwa we ni mako na ponche ne ate hu fifire no e na bia kan tie now so for two ho for Ghana for obi antan na grooming president mama no jaisa wo smash myself for so mo call the guest house no jaisa wo smash myself for so mo call grooming president mama self ho no na obane papa say abaye clear am ye hu obane papa and na grooming president no so de picture to wa yenim ne papa akwa na picture da ho no ma na hu ne papa he say abaye clear enti jai lady na se man no jai lady no grooming president ma me jai life man no na live wo there because now when na pre ho akopa baby animonyama ma obane say the bane papa na o papa ene obane papa ena nei nyame ya de wa da for fresh say ga no wakwa ke wa bontan am ya te say obane papa ni pa so masi enti grooming president ma me no jai life man no ono so akla no so mo amunim grooming president so ko ba grooming president for social media Instagram as a search grooming president hu akla na eno mi na ba ka say akla ni papa ni obi na hu akla no picture of phone so from akla we dia anka ni papa anje pa de a I'm saying, the man or say, or bow a lawyer, my bema, or ne bema back container, or bet me not tonight. Or what? And you've been a catch a circle and Benny. And the giant priest last mano. Not just all smart software on the guest house or airport east so or Moncohera say guest house near Press Ladiana. And yani dear, oh dear, Castle, you had the documents in the Bebrow. You had the Bible show some said Tracy J. When the real said the Padian in a fatao. Castle. Now, okay, they say, why I come? Why to come and say I'm liking you for that? Just so I done for now, can't be count. Me Becca I say, they never be now in a bit more quality woman. What's hear me? Why I come on, eh? We like that. I love that. Me pay the way say why I come now. Why say woman do business no? Just say underground snitching. Diamond cast man walk can. Oh, cast man diamond walk can. Sa ko konsan kitin the day. E we girls now for from. And the amamu kure nye. Amamu kure ye. Mr. Nyama, grooming president. I know am. So who akwa who ni papa. You be never catch no. E no ne che ne say wawo. Anya akwa de ne beto edin papa for be 16 better agano. Anya no. Nti ja akwa na ma me life man. And I like the way I trace say why I calm no become like that. Nya girls kasa ne konkon say we go catch we na we catch. And so cry e wom 3 circle of friends bia na we find that there. You better find the way we catch away. Now we are catch away. Now we are catch away. Now we are catch away. Now somebody came to tell me say, "Hey, GH, obe send me video be na just say gedi diamond appear atem say diamond appear want to say fear. Diamond appear dey no ho tan ni patan penny. Wo hwe obe ni ma say fear. And obe send no say it's not the same diamond appear they say all comment we fear was nigga video as and I'm say chill. Na diamond no onim the oye. Diamond no why a smart woman, she knows what she's up to in Munjano. Until what Diamond was really up to, no, and never dead, what Diamond was really up to. What camp was our quadra fias was nego or Copenhagen. What she was really up to, no, someone to Munchaso. Abuja for me, Damasi. Now, Munko subscribe to your YouTube. No, oh, Muntimon person me live for YouTube. Munko subscribe. I just see 1,000 subscribers. So, as I yet me live. Oh, and to YouTube no me be ya say so Instagram. Have be kakra no. Me be ya live for Instagram be o. Nsam na baba no me say me transformation so. Enye me so me tirim wa ha no. Makaka ma no to mukura mu abi so akata bi so nkia kumi kurom ha. Me bi nyina na me kan ke be kume. Nti afa de be kakra no ya bi ni nyina ya move information ni nyina ko YouTube. Nti ko YouTube GH space Mouthpiece TV. GH space Mouthpiece TV. Okwa subscribe and click on the bell. Me buy live and now notification. Now swaba be authentic information be nyansa kasa. Na my sister Penny be from us GH. Onim de ma me pe wasem be say the boss say o can no cry with wisdom. O can no cry with wisdom. O can no cry asem na wo can no. What can no no wi na wa gyan no cry no so no wa tufo. E bi na futu am de ma Tracy sesi ya no. So wo hu de to na down for no. Short code by Tracy. Ghanaians haven't attacked it because Tracy who say one be say will be a business. One back will be answering the business in Ghana for young attacking short code by Tracy. No Shakira movies. Nobody is sabotaging Shakira movies because Obia unko attack will be a business. Until show who so ye. Men kasa cho free wadan for no ho. Wadan for no dey so okuta secret bi nkwa for na ekeka. Nkwa for he kasa atwa say okuta secret bu ye won so otwe ho firi ho say wom. Etu be tara ni sa. Mommy go, daughter follow, go. Na mo call na mo ba. Na mo call na mo ba sa. The tatara ni sa na mum. Tetarano with wisdom. Tetarano with wisdom. Na wan ko influence so bebre. Ye nim say Tracy wani adin. But ni influence o de ma wo no e ko fa asem bra wo Ghana ha no moma. Wan ko no ntumu na nsan ya kakro mu ha wo hu de nka eto. This is an advice to you. Tracy Buache, this is an advice to you. Utie mi a me say 2019. Afia so ga tie mi a. Me ka che ni say fiam penifo atam didie yo. E penifo atam didie yi ne se obi abedi na tam obeye video be huru na mama brand se wonwo. Ni nyina me be video no call viral reach ni pen or blocking me. Wantie nti Tracy nei. Hwa hu so ye me si afia de according to information say yet say no kra dia. Anya da beti mate ho afri ni hu se say e bi kra be gradual process. Na mom me mani influence negatively. E masa de ne sansem hunu na obedi ni last year. Say this year so a e man krofo bo wudi nkromu ha san wo so firi kuma se bakra na we loud but now we calm we industry no obi people liked you. Enti menye kai hunu so wo businesses who was short called by Tracy. Kai hunu so wo businesses who was Shakira movies. Enti say one here now and no woman influence, so that's way round and all young crofona. Don't forget, we all will come after your businesses. I love you all. Hate for none, love for everyone. But no crying, dear, me say me the evidence about. I just say if your life not better, you know chantro. Ashamodi has given her money more than countless times. Countless times, so all year the birthday, can I shall brain is cash and some brain phone with nipple. And so me patcho evidence now me the buy 5 different transactions now course. Or that Shamodi pay slip or so no. Me patcho evidence Mumu Valentina and Nigeria transactions now cost me now. Patcho me didn't another transaction this one I did. We didn't adjust Shema. Me the Valentina and Nigeria. Now if there is still room for improvement. You can change. And yes, I be any pabes rosa. Mr. Reverend Buffon and the and Omasrewa, the years on the quote to Jonosre, Nani Kunas on the sister Nosre. Now we learn to be grateful. Be tone so ma be grateful to that person. Unless somebody who has hate, when you move a mammy. Or be near hate when you mamma, or be an overcatch and what I dear back come and my own grateful to them that. Every day, Mini baby and Papa Chipalago, baby or be Amichiano. Every day, I have never gone to any platform and can't just say, he made me GH mouthpiece. That is what we call gratefulness. Oh no, na me je when I me me video na me dey na bloggers so me pa bloggers a chow mo post me na mo charge me 2,000 no. Achipalago didn't take a dime from me. Today be another catch so a youth president. That is gratefulness. Ebia na enye sika o, ebia na enye atade enye ka o, but effort be the bet word baby nipa bet nye the word baby. E na fifi prat ye de me ma me kodure e konya airtime. Me share amidst that no me kai said papa no wa piase wo me fimu wa wo wo me fimu wa wo wo achi wa wo me kom ono obetimi aka one time me da bia one thing about me me ne wona ma dia wo baya me no me hit maker said me no wote no wo ne me fefa me no fefa wo tate sa wo ye deadly me deadly sen o kana betie to beto be say before I started sa ne nema ko frefre ye nyima di wo daily tv ne eye fine for rainbow radio no be say sa time no mu no before be started sa nema no na me just my no one single bonnet da na ombra out make am bonnet kuro nya ba ompo nka onya bonnet ba ku po nka we rainbow radio ni daily tv onya ba ku po nka but ni nyina mu no we still appreciate and say thank you boss what the meaning na mu radio who pinch me na wo sum me hwe na me sorry na ma pepa me ho na wasen afra me na wa pa ma chaw na ma sen aba bla 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 ni ye adwuma so ni nyina mini na musa up and down sama ba benya ye time nti me da wase say ena mo so manya e time me da na say read video text message on the phone so no dey kire on crofo sama be pa na chaw na even if I said sorry to you or 50 prat am I the God and I'm sorry and the message was clear say thank you me da wase until you should learn to be grateful. Obi ye bibi keto be obi abeduru bia nipa na ye oboni onya oboni okai obi pisa me say anka fabrica sponsor ka oni finya issue ja fabrica so and am say me jeminim no oni mu kwata but me fa me phone say me ye life na makai say ene mo radio experience ujam wo de metina radio so me say ho radio station bi opa bia me say ho onim me or the 1 month pe egru me ma me be ye perfect radio so ma afi na prime time show and na me hosti 1 month po guru me e ma fe na me tena console achi a dey spoil there eno no ntina me kaya me fa phone na me the phone na iden ato se me life akwatia papa no memo na mase na de asa mo me nkonkoda na ansema me kan ye mo se me ba na sore mo hu wa sore nsema me kan ye fa bi nya afutuo ye fa bi ntu ye hofo you should learn to be grateful na yam dwene papa ni enjini papa ye bibia ye enjini papa first na ye kan hu se de ye beye wo wiase bia no enwo katua ne pa chewo ye enji wo heaven babia o ahaya ne ebenya no ye te Ghana na afia so stay say Pinaman Cosmetics less than 3 months ago enei enkwafo otu na in business so na ka me business and ke entu ye ni so so won madam asebebre me poma asebebre thank you.